the various stages involved in which they will be providing funds to the startups. First is the seed stage, which is the beginning stage, and during the seed stage, these startup companies, they can get little amount of help from the venture capitalists for developing their team, for developing the initial idea, and for developing the business plan. So even for developing business plan, for developing the management team also, they can get funding from the venture capital financing companies. And this stage is known as seed stage. Once you are through the seed stage, you have your business plan with you, then you enter in the second stage, which is known as startup stage, where you actually go for development of product. You can where you develop the technology, where you set up your office and other things. So in this stage also, you can ask for the funding from the venture capitalists. So if you are asking for funds for developing the product, for developing the technology, for developing your office area and other things, then the funding is known as startup stage funding. And then after startup stage funding, third step is first stage. So what is first stage? If you have your product with you, if you have your technology with you, if you have your office space with you, then what is the next thing? You need to develop the market. You need to go for advertisement. You need to go for marketing. You need to search for the suppliers. So for all these things, if you have requirement of fund, you can ask for the help from the venture capitalist. And this stage is known as first stage of venture capital financing, which comes after startup stage. So at the end of first stage, you will be doing everything. You will be having your idea with you. You will be having product development. You will be having technology with you. You will be having your office space. You will be doing sales of your product or service. You will be doing marketing. You will have your overall channel available. So everything will be there. But still, if you want to expand your business, if you want to add few more products in your basket, if you want to expand your business in other areas, for that also you can get funding from the venture capitalist. If you are getting funding for expansion purpose, it is called expansion stage funding. After expansion also, if you are thinking of going public, if you want to come up with IPO, if you want to enter in the foreign market, for that also you can get funding from venture capitalists, and this is known as bridge stage funding. So established companies which are already expanded, if they want to further expand themselves in the foreign market, if they want to go public through IPO, if they want to come up with IPO, if they want to enter in the capital market, for that purpose also they can get funding from the venture capitalists, and this kind of funding is known as bridge stage funding. So these are the various stages of venture capital financing available to the startup. If anyone has any question related to this, please ask. Anyone? Now these are various methods of venture capital funding. When venture capitalists, they invest in the new idea, a new company, either they ask for equity partnership, or they can ask for conditional loan, or they can participate through income note also. But most common form of investment by venture capitalists is equity investment. So whenever they invest in new company, they generally ask for equity ownership in the company, and they become one of the owner of the company with some shares. But some venture capitalists who do not have plan to get associated with the company for a longer period, they can go for conditional loan or income note or debenture financing also. So if they are providing funds, they can provide funds in the form of conditional loan also. They can provide funds in the form of income note also, or through other modes also. But let me tell you, in India, most of the venture capitalists, they some steps which are there in investment process of venture capital financing. And first step is deal origination. So what is deal origination? Let me tell you about first step. In deal origination, people with their idea, they meet the venture capital capitalist, and they share their idea with the venture capitalist. So venture capitalists, they do the initial, they go through the summary of the idea, and then out of all the ideas which are presented to them, they shortlist some of the ideas which they feel can be, successful in future. So this is the very first stage where initial screening is done by the venture capitalist. So this step is also known as deal origination or introduction step of venture capital financing process. And venture capital financing begins with the initial screening, which is done in this step. And there are many sources through which venture capitalists can select the various ideas, and they can invite for initial screening in the first step. So suppose if 100 ideas are presented in the first step, out of 100, they select only 20 to 25 ideas after first step, deal origination. So those 20-25 ideas, they go to the second step of venture capital financing process, which is called screening. So second step of venture capital financing after deal origination is screening of the idea. So now during this stage, screening, they do a detailed analysis of the idea, and on the basis of some factors like their product, their technology, area of operations, geographical location, stage of financing required in the business, they further select or they further shortlist some ideas for which they can go for detailed evaluation. So this is the second step, where out of available options, they further shortlist some of the potential options on the basis of some factors like product or technology they are offering, market scope which will be available to the startup, size of investment required by the startup, geographical location